Scaffolding is a temporary structure used to support workers and materials during construction or repair, but it also refers to a teaching method where a learner is given temporary support to master a new skill. In both contexts, it provides a foundation that is gradually removed as the person or system becomes more capable of working independently. Construction and maintenance, a temporary framework, often made of metal poles and wooden boards, that is built against a building. It provides a stable platform for workers to access higher parts of a structure for tasks like building, maintenance, or repair. Education and learning, a teaching method where a teacher provides temporary support to a student to help them learn a new skill. Examples include using visuals, providing language prompts, or having students connect new information to prior knowledge. The support is gradually withdrawn as the student gains proficiency, allowing them to eventually perform the skill on their